What are you doing killing stuff? You can't do that. What are you doing? You can't do that. What? This game's not even killing. I'm trying to find out something. This is a cool game. Look, it's Wordy Speed Both Replay. Free play? It's just a free play game. See? It's 2 players, 1 player. Why don't you let me play it? But Daddy DStroy, this is not even a bad game. It's just something that's appropriate. So let me play the game. Okay? And let me see. No, Daddy DStroy, I'm just trying to explain to you. No. Is he gone? You're probably trying to jump scare me or something. Wait, what, boy? You running? Oh, I know you did. Come on. Now I'm gonna hide away from this boy. I got you now, boy. I got you now. Oh, Daddy DStroy's sleeping. I got a good idea. I'm gonna switch his glasses with mine, because I always wanted to try those glasses. And also because I want to prank him. I'm gonna slap him and say, Inaias. I'm gonna prank him. Wait, hold on. Did you turn the lights out, girl? I'm gonna get you. Wherever you are. Wherever you are, I'm coming. Get you. So, wait, that's not you. What's this? What is this? Oh, this is the couch. Now I'm gonna get you now. Wait, what is this? I don't know what this is either. And now I need to find you. Alright, Daddy DStroy, I'm going to the mall tonight with my friends. Wait, what? You going to the mall? I never said that. And also, if you go into the mall, then how much money you have? What? I've been saving my money. I've been saving it so I can get these new pair of sneakers. They look so cool. Wait, what? New pair of shoes? I don't have no shoes. You owe me money. Wait, what? I've been saving my money to raise you your whole life. Okay, now you want to talk. Now all of it. Give me, or else. Bell, boy. Oh, guess I'm not going to the mall then. Hey, Daddy DStroy, Inaias said he wants to show you some new dance moves. Okay, let me see one of your dance moves. We should do the butterfly. Like, that's not any dance moves. What? You tell me I can't dance? Oh, get my belt. Dark shut. Wait, what? But there's other dance moves too. See, look at this one, the orange justice. Yellow. See, that's the orange justice. And down. And here's the floss. Oh, that butterfly dance is all you can dance. What, you laughing? You laughing? You laughing?